Let's talk about some real-world examples of projects used 5D BIM. The first example is a Shard Tower in London. The Shard Tower is considered the Western Europe's tallest skyscraper. It stands as a testament to the power of 5D BIM. This tower, as you can see, it consists of 72 stories or 72 floors. This structure construction involved complex design changes and logistical challenges, and by the integration of 5D BIM, it helped the project team manage these changes efficiently, ensuring it was completed within budget and ahead of schedule too. Another example is Dubai Expo 2020 site. As you can see from the picture, it's a large mega project, and this utilized 5D BIM for cost control and project timeline management. And this approach allowed for dynamic cost analysis and ensured that the project, with its tight deadlines and intricate designs, was delivered successfully.